Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware. An infrared or Windows Hello compatible camera is required. Once confirmed, make sure drivers are updated and the camera is enabled in Device Manager. Next, open Settings, go to Accounts and select Sign-in options. Choose Windows Hello Face and click Setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin enrollment. This step kicks off the process. Make sure you have a PIN ready, because Windows will ask you to create one as a fallback. You will be guided to create a strong PIN if you haven't already, because Face Unlock needs a fallback. Once the PIN is set, position yourself directly in front of the camera about 12 to 24 inches away, with even lighting on your face. Make sure the background is not backlit. When the enrollment begins, slowly turn your head left and right so the system captures multiple angles. Include glasses or a hat if you plan to wear them regularly. This builds a robust face model. You finish by testing the face login. Lock the laptop and sign in using Windows Hello Face to confirm reliability. Then, enable Require Sign-in after sleep or screen lock to ensure it's used consistently. If you have other users, enroll separate face profiles. If something goes wrong, camera not detected, or enrollment fails, first update drivers, check camera privacy settings, and enable biometrics in group policy or settings. If that doesn't work, reboot and retry the enrollment. Those steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.